How to change messenger notification sound. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update messenger to the latest version. Then open up messenger on a device. Now tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on settings. Now on the settings page, simply scroll down. Now tap on notifications and sounds. Again scroll down. Now under notification preferences, tap on customize notifications. Now tap on ring. Now tap on classic or nature or any other notification sounds it's available on a device. Now select the sound and simply go back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and the bell icon. See you in the next video.